our dear students, teachers, parents, members of the Academy, distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to you all. Alam kong mainit, subalit salamat dahil mas mainit ang inyong naging pagtanggap sa akin. I am honored to speak before a group of young achievers who will one day serve as leaders of this nation. Today marks another milestone in the lives of our youngsters as we celebrate with them the annual end of school year rite, the Moving Up, Araw ng Paglilipat Antas, recognizing your hard work, who are advancing to senior high, a critical phase of your academic journey. The truth is, at ito ay malapit na. Very soon, many of you will be occupying positions of importance that will impact the future of our country and the people, either in your private capacity or through public governance. Many believe, including myself, that you, the youths of today, are truly this nation's most cherished treasures, our invaluable resources. It is heartwarming and reassuring to know that you represent the new phase of positive transformation that our country urgently needs. As agents of change, you hold the steering wheel that dictates the direction we all will be heading. Your eventual takeover is an inevitability that cannot be denied, a natural occurrence that must be accepted, embraced, supported, and nourished. Your sector will serve as the most stable and long-term contributor to nation building. You will spearhead growth in various industries across all sectors that will assist in the efforts toward the realization of our shared and common aspiration for a better tomorrow. Because of your young minds and innovative spirit, you bring fresh ideas, perspective, idealism, and enthusiasm to the table. As you build your skills, develop your expertise, and enhance your experiences, one day soon, you will be of great assistance to the national drive for economic development, social growth, and democratic progress. As future leaders, you hold the key to fostering a better and more progressive future to everyone, leaving no Filipino behind. Representing a considerable resource of skillful, talented, and determined teams who will be vital in the effort toward the betterment of humanity, you must be ready and equipped to occupy the role of our country's future. You must learn to embrace and adapt to the many changes that accompany new beginnings. By doing so, you can help in paving the way for a brighter horizon engulfing the entire nation. In time, you will take charge of shaping the future that you want and that you truly deserve. Entering the critical phase of your academic journey, it must be clear to you that this is the time to further sharpen the tools you have learned, adopted, and fostered thus far. For those on pursuing a career in public service or engaging in private enterprise, it would be best to reinforce your ideals, values, principles, and advocacies, for this will provide you the burning light, that burning light that will illuminate the journey ahead. Whatever this may be, honesty, integrity, and humanity, to mention some, this will eventually define the life that you want to lead, the person you aspire to be, and the leader you aim to become. But above all this, your love of country should be second to none. As you work on your transformation so that you may lead a purposeful life, keep in mind the responsibility you carry for the nation and for other people. Know that you are important, that you are this country's most precious jewel. Know that you are the country's future. After all is said and done, the baton shall be passed on to you, whether you like it or not. You will carry the torch